Your small bowel is where almost all nutrients are absorbed. Every vitamin, every mineral, everything your body needs to survive. But what if I told you there are hidden toxins damaging it every single day? From food to water to the air you breathe, these substances can quietly disrupt your gut, and most people don't even realize it. Why the small bowel matters. The small intestine isn't just for digestion, it's a barrier, a filter. It allows nutrients in and keeps harmful substances out. But when toxins damage this barrier, it can lead to inflammation, poor absorption, and gut imbalance. Part 1. Food toxins. 1. Pesticides, herbicides, insecticides. Found in non-organic produce. Effect: damage beneficial gut bacteria and disrupt microbiome. Reduce. Wash thoroughly, choose organic. 2. Food additives, emulsifiers. Found in ultra-processed foods. Effect: increase intestinal permeability, leaky gut. Reduce. Avoid processed foods. 3. Artificial sweeteners. Found in diet drinks, sugar-free products. Effect: disrupt gut bacteria balance. Reduce. Limit intake. 4. Gluten-sensitive individuals. Found in wheat products. Effect: triggers inflammation and gut barrier damage. Reduce. Avoid if sensitive. 5. Processed sugars. Found in snacks, sweets. Effect: promotes harmful bacteria overgrowth. Reduce. Whole food diet. 6. Trans fats. Found in fried foods. Effect: inflammation in intestinal lining. Reduce. Avoid processed oils. 7. Dioxins. Found in animal fats. Effect: toxic to gut cells and microbiome. Reduce. Reduce processed meat intake. 8. Microbial toxins, for example, C. difficile toxins. Found in infection/imbalance. Effect: direct damage to intestinal lining and inflammation. 9. Nanoparticles, food additives. Found in packaged foods. Effect: disrupt gut microbiota and barrier. 10. Alcohol excess. Effect: damages intestinal lining and increases permeability. Part 2. Weight or toxins. 11. Heavy metals, lead, mercury, cadmium. Found in contaminated water. Effect: damage intestinal barrier and microbiome. Reduce. Use water filters. 12. Arsenic. Found in groundwater. Effect: toxic to intestinal cells. Reduce. Filter water. 13. Nitrates. Found in fertilizer runoff. Effect: disrupt gut function. 14. Chlorine byproducts. Found in treated water. Effect: kill beneficial gut bacteria. 15. Microplastics. Found in drinking water. Effect: carry toxic chemicals into gut. 16. Pharmaceutical residues. Found in water supply. Effect: affect gut bacteria balance. Part 3. Environmental toxins. 17. PFAS, forever chemicals. Found in packaging, cookware. Effect: disrupt gut microbiota and inflammation. 18. PCBs, industrial chemicals. Found in environment. Effect: increase intestinal inflammation. 19. Air pollution. Effect: alters gut microbiome and immune response. 20. Flame retardants. Found in furniture. Effect: toxic to gut bacteria. 21. BPA plastics. Found in bottles, packaging. Effect: disrupt gut microbiota. 22. Cleaning chemicals. Found in household sprays. Effect: irritate gut indirectly via inhalation/ingestion. 23. Parabens. Found in cosmetics. Effect: endocrine and microbiome disruption. 24. Antibiotic exposure. Found in medication food chain. Effect: kills beneficial gut bacteria. 25. Industrial chemicals, general exposure. Found in daily environment. Effect: many chemicals over 100 plus shown to harm gut bacteria. When these toxins build up, they don't just affect digestion. They can lead to poor nutrient absorption, chronic inflammation, gut imbalance, dysbiosis, increased disease risk. Simple steps: eat whole, unprocessed foods, filter your water, reduce plastic use, limit chemical exposure, support gut health, fiber, natural foods. Your small bowel is where health begins. Protect it, and you protect everything.